Hey everybody, this is Albert from TonalEnergy, and it's Tuesday, so that means it's time for another TonalEnergy Tuesday tune-up. This week we're going to be talking about recording the internal sounds from TonalEnergy for your practice. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up the app and let's go to the sound page. Now in the sound page, you're going to swipe over from the left-hand side and you're going to see the recording studio. And here we're going to be using the record button with the speaker inside of it. Get it? Internal sounds and recording. So we're going to use this button to essentially record anything that you would like to from TonalEnergy. Whether it be a metronome sound, one of our fabulous instrument sounds, or a combination of both. So there you have it, 3 different ways to play along with the recording that you've made using the internal sounds of TonalEnergy. And as a quick recap, there's over 20 sounds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
Now, how would you use this in your own recording setting? Well, you could always play back the metronome, whether you're recording a click track or some kind of setting preset group. Or you could play along with a track that you've recorded. Or you could use TonalEnergy as a model. So there you have it, everybody. It's a way to record the internal sounds of TonalEnergy so that you can use in your rehearsal, whether it's in your own individual practice, rehearsing with your ensemble, or rehearsing an ensemble as an educator. So question of the day, how would you use this for your practice? How could you see yourself using the internal sounds of TonalEnergy, recording them, and using them in your own practice? Leave that below so we can go ahead and check that out. We'd love to hear how you use TonalEnergy. So until next time, remember to share, like, and subscribe to all of our social media. And stay smiley.